I have never filmed these, by the way. This is the first footage of me filming these. The chime isn't working now. Maybe when it goes down. Hello? Nope. Well, let's go to free. This should be an interesting footage. That was loud. Let's go to 0. Fuck. I wonder if this thing is loud. Let's make cab view when we go down. That's a very interesting cab. I mean, it looks generic, but just, you know, by the look of it, just looks odd. I mean, everything in this thing looks odd for me. Let's go to free again. I don't know by who this thing is maintained, but actually this is a Herouth elevator, probably now maintained by ThyssenKrupp. But there's also Fear logos here. Well, you can turn off the lights in here. Actually, if you're turning off the lights, probably they know. Oh, they turn on. Okay. I believe that now I should try to check this elevator and see if I can actually get this one. Meanwhile, let's see the garage. Oh, it's still here, for fuck's sake. It's on free, should be. Goes up? Good. Okay. Oh, here, it goes down. Let's see the garage meanwhile. This is not a big garage, to be honest. It's a small one. Plus 2 elevators in this place. Okay, this one is actually bigger than the other one. Interesting. This one has 16 passengers and 1,250 kilograms. While the other one had 1,000 kilograms and 13 passengers. These elevators stop loud. I mean, both of these are stopping loud. You can see the cab is bigger. It looks the same, honestly. The other elevator has a more loud warning than this one. However, both of these elevators are pretty loud and rough when they move. Ah, shit. Well, whatever. I guess I'm done. Well, I just need to wait this thing to close, which I don't know if it's gonna happen. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna end this here. That's it.